fix invite collaborator option not showing on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can fix invite collaborator option not showing up on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So basically, if you actually have an Instagram account and then if you want to invite someone as a collaborator, you normally tap the plus option from the bottom. You simply enter those details here and then just tap the next option, tap on next. And if you want to invite someone, what you do is you basically tap the tag people option here. Once you tap on tag people, here you'll find this option called invite collaborator. But what if you're not being able to find this invite collaborator option? Now, there are a couple of reasons why this could be happening. We cannot only make it variable based on only one factor. You can just try a couple of things. First of all, just come to your profile page, tap the three lines option, go to settings and privacy. Then you can simply just go to business tools and controls over here, tap on switch account type, and then if you are on personal account, switch to professional account. If you're already on professional account but you're not seeing the option, try to switch to personal account and again try to switch to professional account, because in most cases this is definitely going to help you solve your problem. So this way you can basically fix the invite collaborator option not showing on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.